This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today we have a Whirlpool top load washing machine, clothes washer, and this one here is Model WTW4816FW2. And I'd like to show you when you're using this machine where you add the fabric softener. So it has settings up at the top here. So I'm going to be doing a light load with warm water temperature on quick wash. And over here where it has the rinse options, we're going to be adding fabric softener, and I'm going to show you where to put that. So you need to turn it. You have option of one rinse, two rinses, one rinse with fabric softener, or two rinses with fabric softener. So we're going to switch it to here. And then the water level, we're going to leave it auto sensing. So let me open this up here and show you where the fabric softener goes. I have some clothes in it already. This is where the fabric softener goes. If you look closely around it, you will see it has a note on the side. So it says liquid fabric softener dispenser right there. And this piece right here actually comes off. If you pull it up or try to twist it and pull up, it'll come off. And I inspected it a little bit. It's got a hole at the bottom and a reservoir in the top. This is actually a clear reservoir inside that does not go through the bottom. It must have a, it must slip through the outer edges as the machine spins. The fabric softener goes up, spins out to the outer edge, goes to the outer side of this container here and out the bottom and into that section there. So I took this out and rinsed it, but I'm going to put it back down just by pressing down gently. And I'm going to grab my fabric softener. Today we're using Great Value Gentle Soft, and I'm going to put, oops, missed a little bit, put some into this cup and pour it into the middle. One of my biggest frustrations with fabric softeners is when they say, shake well. So you shake it, when you open it up, there's going to be fabric softener in this little section here. Then when you open it, it comes pouring out and you spill, but I spill normally. All right, and I'm also gonna add some laundry detergent. This would be Great Value Ultimate Fresh. I think it's a Gain dupe. And put a little bit of that in there. Usually add a little bit more, right, like so. And I'm gonna put that back here, and then we'll turn it on. But as long as you have the fabric softener in this middle section right here, and you, no matter what you set out here, if it's gonna add a rinse, use this one rinse with softener and hit the start button, and there you have it. All right, let me know if you have any questions or comments about this machine, and thanks for watching.